Hi guys, it's Kat. Today, I'll show you a really simple DIY miniature. We'll be making these IKEA-inspired spice racks. This is a really easy tutorial, so let's get started. The first thing you need are some standard popsicle sticks. To cut them, I'm using these miter shears. They're super sharp and cut perfect 90-degree angles. I first snip off the round end off of one popsicle stick. Then cut a 1.5-inch length. You'll need one of these and 2 1/4-inch lengths. Using ordinary Elmer's wood glue, I glued 2 smaller pieces on either side of the long piece. Sand all the edges to make sure it's even and flush. Imperfections are very apparent on miniatures, so take your time here. Next, we'll need a thin coffee stirrer. It's not quite thin enough, so I'll trim off even more. Once it's about 1/8 of an inch in width, I cut off a 1 3/8 of an inch length. Glue that between the 2 small side pieces about halfway up the base. That's it. It's so easy and so cute. I paint mine white, but you can paint it whatever color you like. You can also stain it, varnish it, or leave it bare. Make a bunch of these for your miniature kitchen or use them as bookshelves. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure to subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.